Today I'm going to show you how to use your air fryer to make some special drumsticks. These are Chipotle Lime Chicken Drumsticks and you're just going to love it. So let's get cooking. For our Chipotle Lime Chicken Drumsticks, these are the ingredients that we're going to use today. We're going to start with some olive oil, then we have some honey. I love this orange blossom honey. Lime juice, I think that Nellie and Joe's Key West lime juice really is the best. We have some seasoning here, the chili lime, the chipotle, and then I've got 3 large cloves of garlic. And of course we have our chicken legs, and I'm going to be using 5 today, and then also have on hand a couple of plastic bags. I've taken all of our ingredients, mixed them together for our marinade. There was a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, half a cup of the lime juice, 2 tablespoons each of the chipotle and the chili lime seasoning. Also, we had 2 tablespoons of the honey, and then I did use 3 of the cloves of garlic, and also all of this will be in the description along with the recipe below the video. I have our chicken legs all in the little Ziploc bags ready to have the marinade added. I have 3 in one and 2 in the other. So I've taken the marinade and I've poured it into the Ziplocs. So our chicken legs have been soaking for about 2 hours, and now I'm going to go ahead and put them in the air fryer. I like to also take a little bit of cooking spray and spray those on the trays so they don't stick, and also I like to put some foil on that bottom tray, and that way it helps with cleanup. Our chicken legs are now in the air fryer, and I was able to get them all in one tray. And for all of your extra marinade that you have, go ahead and put that in a little dish with a little pastry brush, and we're going to use that about every 10 minutes. When we stop the air fryer, pull the chicken legs out, and then we're going to give them a little extra coating of that marinade. So we're going to close this, we're going to turn it on, and go ahead and you can leave it on 370, and then you're going to punch the little chicken button, and we're going to let it go. Here we go. So it's on for about 40 minutes. And then when it's gone for about 10 minutes, we're going to stop it, and I'll see you then. So we're going to open the air fryer, and then we're going to coat both sides of the drumsticks with some of our marinade. You want to coat both sides. I'll do the second side here. And you're going to do this 2 more times. So I will see you when we're all done. We have now been cooking for about 20 minutes, so we're going to open the door and take them out. There we go. And we're going to coat them 1 more time. We're going to take them out, we're going to coat them on both sides, and then we'll do that again just 1 more time. And if you're enjoying this recipe, please click that like button so YouTube knows that you like us, and also subscribe so you know when all the new videos will be coming out. And I'll see you in just a few minutes. Okay, so we've gone for 10 more minutes, so it's take them out and take a peek. So I'm taking them out and I'm looking at them, and I think I'm going to go ahead and leave them out. They look great, and when I was checking the temperature, they're probably a little over, let's look on here, a little over 180. So I think we're good to go. So I just took a bite of one of these, and they are so good. I hope that you enjoy them, and be sure and check out the next video that pops up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.